Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Are you thinking about selling your products on TikTok? Well, Shopify integrates directly with a TikTok sales channel so that you can reach more customers and sell your products through TikTok. Now, in this Shopify tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can simply connect TikTok with your Shopify store so that you can sell your products using TikTok as a sales channel. Let's dive in. Let's go ahead and connect your Shopify store with TikTok. Okay, so there are a few things that we need to do in order to connect Shopify with TikTok. So once you've arrived inside your Shopify account, simply navigate over to Sales Channels within your dashboard, then navigate up to the search bar and type in TikTok. And go ahead and search for TikTok in the Shopify App Store. And with TikTok and all the other different sales channels that you can integrate with your Shopify store can be found within the App Store. So once you've arrived inside the App Store, simply navigate down and locate the app called TikTok and click here. Then make sure that the TikTok app that you selected is by the developer TikTok. Then go ahead and click on Install. Again, click on Install. Next, click on Setup Now. And the first thing that we need to do is connect our TikTok for Business account. If you currently do not have a TikTok for Business account, what you can do is simply navigate up to Create New and head over to your browser and type in tiktok.com/business and set up your TikTok for Business account. It's very straightforward and easy to set up. Once you've added all your account information, you'll have access to your TikTok for Business account. This is where you can manage your pixel. This is where you can manage your different campaigns, your ads. This is essentially your hub for marketing on TikTok. Now, it's important to note that it can take some time for your TikTok for Business account to be approved. Once you've created your TikTok for Business account, simply go ahead and click on Connect. And as you can see, I've already created a TikTok for Business account. So that's automatically selected the account that I created earlier. I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect. And as you can see, down here, I had to click on Create New and click on Connect. So I've already done that. Next, then come down and we like to select Enhance in terms of data sharing. Then navigate down even more and then click on Confirm. But I have to set up our company information first, so let's click on Setup. And here you need to put in your business address, tax information, and payment. After that, click on Confirm. And as you can see, our company information has already been set up. This is the information we added with TikTok for Business. Now, most likely you're watching this tutorial because you already have a TikTok account and you already have a Shopify store. Now, with your TikTok account, you need to make sure that your TikTok account is a business account. All you need to do is navigate over to Settings within your TikTok app and essentially change that personal account into a business account. Depending where you're located and to shift your TikTok personal account into a business account, you will need to upload and submit business information into your account in order for that to be approved. Next, we can come down and click on Finish Setup. So as you can see, our ad account is currently under review. This normally takes up to 24 hours. While we wait for our ad account to be reviewed, we're going to navigate down the page and locate Marketing Catalog and then click on Setup Now. Here, if you currently do not have a TikTok Business Center, then what we want to do is go ahead and create one. This is going to allow Shopify to create a TikTok Business Center to manage all your different areas like Store Manager, Business Page, and Product Catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create, then come down and click on Approve. Come down, and for now, what we're going to do is click on United States. Everything else is pending at the moment, and that is due to our account still under review. Then come down and click on Confirm. You can add additional locations later on and then click on Finish Setup. As you can see down here, the product status is syncing. This can take up to 3 to 5 days for TikTok to review your products. Now, if you're completely new to advertising on TikTok, so displaying your products across TikTok with paid ads, then what I'll do is add a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will take you through the process of creating ads on TikTok. Next, if we navigate over to products and then click on one of our products. And down here, you want to make sure that this TikTok option under sales channel and apps is green. This is going to become green once your account has been set up, has been reviewed, and TikTok is connected with your Shopify store. And just like that, once you've completed this tutorial, once you've set up the connection between TikTok and your Shopify store, then you want to start engaging in TikTok ads and you want to install the TikTok Pixel. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief Shopify and TikTok tutorial. And see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, start your ecom store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting ecom store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. With hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code ecom store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your ecom store. So what are you waiting for? Get ShopFunnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.